All right, we got a nice short here on oil. We'll go, all right, 8 contracts. It's $10 a tick here per contract. Per movement is $10. We'll go for a $10 10 tick profit target. So that's 8 contracts times the let's move our stop around here. 8 contracts times the 10 ticks times the $10 a contract. So we'll go for right now, we'll go for an $800 profit target. Here's our where we're putting our profit target at this target. Okay, so it's going to be uh, right at 59. Okay, and we're looking at our crossbow here on our 2 minute, and you can see how we're operating below the crossbow right now. That's real important for a short, as opposed to here earlier in the morning, we were operating above our crossbow. Okay, so this is one of our proprietary indicators, and we're getting close to an oversold. So we're probably going to have a pullback here at some point, pretty shortly, both on the 1 minute here and on the 2 minute. We're in the oversold area, so we'll probably get a nice little pullback here, but not to worry. Okay, it starts creeping in our stop here, pulling our stop to break even. So we'll just let this thing do what it wants to do at this point. Not too much risk involved. There it is. All right, we had our first. Oh, we got a little bit better than 800. A little bit of slippage there. 880 on that trade, and we'll look for another one. All right, here's a nice long position. We missed our first entry, unfortunately, but it was generous enough to give us a second entry here. So we'll go ahead and take it. Bring in our stop. And let's examine. We're looking at this area right here on our 2 minute. Let's kind of size this up a little bit for us. So we'll keep our profit target here at 10 ticks again, just like the last trade. We have a pretty volatile morning here. I think we had a jobs report come out or something this morning, kind of moving the market around. We're gonna go. Let's go for 10 on this. Maybe more because we're getting our ATR is pretty high right now, and so it kind of gives us a little bit better. Gives us more of a little bit more risk involved, but more of a profit target as well. And we're looking at this target on these two targets right here on our 2 minute as to where we're going to put our profit target. Okay, and that's what these targets are. They're building pending orders that we use. And let's pull in our stop to break even here. And we have our profit target at 10 ticks. Okay, and boom, there it is. All right, well, we are at 1600 now on 2 trades. And I don't know. Let's see if it's pretty nice morning here for a Friday, I have to say. Let's see if we can't find it. All right, let's take a short right here. Not the best signal, but it's pretty good. Okay, we got our fill here. Again, let's go for 10. We might go for a little bit more here. Okay, we got stopped out here, so we ate it here, but not to. I meant to kind of extend. I usually don't stretch my stop, but I almost never do. But in this case, I did. I wanted to, but I couldn't get quite in because we're hitting off of our Archer zone line here, which means we're going to get a pullback almost for sure. So I'm going to re-enter this order, and I'm going to put in about a 15 tick profit target on this. Um, I made a little bit of a mistake here. First of all, the initial trade was marginal, and I wasn't quick enough to extend my stop like I should have. And again, normally I don't ever extend a stop, but in this case, because we have our Archer zone line, um, almost for sure we're going to get a nice bounce on this. So I'm going to protect this just right above our zone line with our stop and have about a 15 tick profit target here. And so very little risk on this as opposed to the last trade. You make mistakes sometimes, and wasn't quick enough in my old age here. But it looks like this one right here is going to give us a little redemption. Uh, Looking at these targets right here, and we should hit it. Yeah, there it is. All right, there it is. 1,900, 1920 on what was that? 3 or 4 trades. I lost count to be honest with you. But I hope to see everyone in our room for a free trial and have a good weekend.